Hello everyone, Sir Weds here and welcome back to EduNation. As DepED released the last interim guidelines for school forms checking, we are now informed that elementary grade level teachers are instructed to update their learners' nutritional status report. And if you downloaded our updated ISF fully automated electronic class record for the new normal, you might have noticed that we have already prepared a School Form 8 template for you. As for those who didn't download our ISF fully automated electronic class record for the new normal, we also have a standalone file which we will show you later on. So I already opened my ISF automated electronic class record for our advisors template, which, as I have mentioned, is a fully automated macro-based template. Opening the file requires you to enable some of MS Excel's macro features. If you aren't familiar with opening macro-based templates, you can check our video here and see how it's opened. Once you fully enable these features, our ISF Advisor e-class record has a profile directory, as you can see on your screens right now. And your School Form 1 file, which you downloaded from the LIS, is fully compatible with our automated template. To show you, I have here a downloaded School Form 1 from the LIS. All I need to do here is to highlight everything like so and press Ctrl-C on the keyboard to copy all of it, and go back here to our template and look for the My SF1 template on my dashboard. Click on it, and when it opens, I'll just press Ctrl-V on my keyboard to paste it. Now that I'm done pasting that, I'll just go to the Return to Profile button and click on it, and I'll be back to my profile directory. So if you click on our School Form 1 template here, which is a refurnished template, you can see that all data from our LIS SF1 will be transferred here automatically. So I'm just gonna go back to my profile directory and click back to my SF1 template so that I can copy the names of my male students by highlighting all of it, and copy it, then return to my profile and paste it here. I'll do the same thing again for the female learners. So going back to my SF1 template, go to the female names, highlighting all of it, copy, then back to my profile directory, and finally paste it. As you can see here, we have the ready-made SF8 nutritional status report for pre and post test. So I'll just click on this one and the sheet will immediately open like so. The profile data as well are automatically fetched from the SF1, so there's no need to retype that. Below that, we got the LRN, which are also automatically generated. That goes the same for the names and birth dates. The ages are automatically recalculated based on the nutritional status guidelines, which must be definite as to the date of body mass and height assessment. Along with that, we have the results here, which are filled in with black to indicate that there is no need to alter anything here. And even if you try to change anything here, a pop-up alert message will inform you that you can't change any of these cells. If you go further down, you'll see the female names list along with their LRN data, their birth dates, and their recalculated ages. And below all of it will be the summary table, which is also automatically generated for you, so there's no need to mess with all of that. And of course, the date of assessment here, which is for the pre-test, for all of those who are directed to complete the SF8 for both pre and post-test every school year. As we have here October 7, 2020, let's change it to October 5, 2020 just for example. So that's October 5, 2020 on our formula bar, and press Enter. And there you go. That's Monday, October 5, 2020. As for the conducted or assessed by name here, This is auto-generated if you indicated your name in our profile directory. It's 0 here since I didn't put my name on that sheet. So let's go return to the top of our page right now, and you may notice that we have a lot of blank rows here because this sheet is suited for 50 males and females for a total of 100 students. And we can hide and unhide all these rows right here by going to our macro-based buttons, which are the show blank rows and hide blank rows buttons. So we're gonna hide all of these blank rows here to fit all of our report into one single sheet. And we can do that by clicking the Hide Blank Rows button here. And depending on the speed of your computer, the buttons will be able to automatically hide all of it quickly. Well, mine's a bit slow, so let's just wait. Okay, there you go. All the blank rows are now hidden and the sheet is merged into one sheet already. All we need to do now is to type our learner's height and weight for both male and female. So I'll start typing right now and put some data here. The cells that are colored black will not generate immediately until you finish putting data on the heights column. And again, depending on the speed of your computer, this may take a bit of time. And once you're done with it, it will just automatically show by itself and you won't be needing to calculate anything because our automated template will do it for you. Now we're done here, and the results have already shown. And below all of that, we also have our summary table, which also calculates all of our results and sort it accordingly. And this School Form 8 is readily available to everyone who downloaded our ISF e-class record for the new normal. But of course, if you don't want to download that file since you already used the electronic class record before, we also have a separate standalone file for the School Form 8 which you can also download on the link below on our website. This standalone SF8 has the same features which we demonstrated here. It's almost the same, which also has a postage sheet here like the one earlier. You also need to change the dates of assessment the very same way we did a while ago. But unlike the previous SF8 embedded in our ISF e-class record, you will be typing all of the school profile data here along with all of your students' names, LRN, and birth dates. Other than that, everything works all the same. So, I hope you like this automated School Form 8 demonstration video we have for you. Again, the download link for the standalone file are available below, and the link to the full demonstration video of our ISF e-class record for the new normal too. Please do consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and don't forget to click the notification bell to get yourself updated with all of our videos. Like and share this video to your co-teachers too. And as usual, this is Sir Weds of IS School Forms, and thank you for watching.